If you need to extract links of files in a Google Drive folder, this quick guide will show you the fastest way to do it. Whether you want to share documents, send file links to a team, or make sure multiple files are accessible from one place, Google Drive gives you a simple way to copy and manage links. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Google Drive in your browser and go to the folder that contains the files you want to share. Once you're inside the folder, take a moment to find the files you want links for. If you only need a few files, you can select them one by one. On a Windows computer, hold down Ctrl and click each file to select multiple items. If you want to select everything in the folder, just press Ctrl and A together. On a Mac, you can use Command instead of Ctrl if you're selecting multiple files. This makes it easy to grab everything at once without having to open each file separately. Once your files are selected, right-click on the highlighted items. This opens the context menu with different sharing and file options. Now look for the Share icon at the top of the screen and click it. This is where Google Drive lets you control who can access the files. If you want anyone with the link to be able to open the files, change the access settings to Anyone with the link. That's especially useful if you're planning to paste the links into an email, a website, a document, or a message thread. After that, click Copy Link. If you selected multiple files, Google Drive may copy a common share link depending on the sharing method you're using. In some cases, you may need to repeat the process for individual files if you want separate links for each one. But for many folder sharing workflows, this is the quickest way to generate and extract the links you need. Once the link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you want. You can send it to coworkers, add it to a client dashboard, or save it in your notes for later. Just make sure the sharing settings match what you need, because if access is too restricted, other people may not be able to open the files. If you're managing a folder with lots of files, this method can save you a ton of time. Instead of digging through each document individually, you can open the folder, select what you need, share it, and copy the link in just a few steps. It's simple, fast, and easy to repeat whenever you need to distribute files from Google Drive. And that's how you extract links of files in a Google Drive folder. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.